Do you want to blur your video in CapCut, or maybe you want to blur the entire video? Or maybe you want to blur a face in a video? Or maybe you want to blur the background of a video? Then this tutorial, I will show you how to do this step by step. So we will start with the easiest one, how to blur the entire video in CapCut. So first is what you want to do is to load the video that we want to apply a blur. So I'll use this video clip as an example. Drag the video to the timeline like this, then go to the video effects. Click on the lens, then find the blur effect. Drag it to the video like this. Now, if I play the video, as you can see, the entire video is now blurred. And you can just adjust how much blur you want on your video. So here, and we are done. Next is we're going to learn how to blur a face in CapCut. So we will use the same video as an example. So on the top, click the effects, and in the body effects, then find the face mosaic effect. Then drag it on the video like this. And if I let it go, as you can see, this video now has the face mosaic effect applied to it. Now, if I play the video, as you can see, now that the person's face is now blurred. Now, you can make some adjustments to the effect by adjusting the range and the size of the blur, and we are done. Okay, moving on. How do we blur the background of the video? We will again use the same video as an example. Now, what you want to do next is to drag it down into the timeline. Then make a copy of the video by pressing the Ctrl and C to copy it, and pressing the Ctrl and V to paste it above the video. Now, click on the effects and click the lens and find the blur effect. Drag the effect on top of the original video, the one on the bottom of the timeline, to apply the blur effect on it, and you can adjust how much blur you want on your video to your liking. Now, next is to click the copied video, the one on the top, to select it. Under that video, click Cutout. Then click the Auto Cutout checkbox. Then wait for it to finish processing. Now, depending on the size of the video, the processing time may vary. So the bigger the size, the longer the process may take. And now, if I play the video, as you can see here, we now have a video with a blurred background. And basically, that's it. And that is how you blur a part of a video in CapCut. I hope you liked it. Now, if you have any questions or confusion, comment down below, and I will respond to each and every question as soon as possible. I hope this video helped you, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching!